recap of our first masterclass of this year. It was regarding QuickBooks and regarding the sales function. So one thing that we talked about is creating your menu. So if you think about Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A sells chicken, they sell desserts and sides. So when you are updating your accounting system, or if you have never used an accounting system, you need to create your menu. And what that means is, what products and services are you going to purchase? And you need to write down everything you're going to sell, products and services, and then also the amount. That's very important, because in QuickBooks, in the sales function, you need to put that into QuickBooks, because that flows into your invoices, which flows into financial report. So once again, create your menu. What are you selling? Products and services. And then second, you need to group your products and services. So Chick-fil-A is a good example. So they have sides. So if you are selling sides, you need to have an account called sides, which will be a revenue account. You want to group your products and services on your profit and loss statement, because you want to know where your revenue is coming from. So you just don't want to have just one revenue account if you are providing more than one product or service. So you want to break that out. So Chick-fil-A has sides, they have desserts. If you use Chick-fil-A as an example, you may want to have a revenue account called grilled chicken. Maybe they have cool wraps. So you want to make sure you have different revenue accounts for the different products and services. So group them together. So you don't need to have a revenue account for each product, but just group them. Also, what we talked about is how the sales function in QuickBooks ties into financial reports, and how it helps you manage your business. Particularly the sales function, if you think about it, it's all about managing your customers. That's where you create your invoices. That's where you go and tell QuickBooks, okay, that particular customer has paid. So when you are thinking about cash flow, you want to pay your bills, that's the first section you want to go to, because that's cash in. So if customers are paying, you're having cash coming in. If you're not having cash coming in, the sales function section is the first section you want to go to, because that section tells you who hasn't been paying. Also, too, it'll tell you, well, man, I didn't invoice that particular customer. So that sales section is very important. So remember, create your menu. Number 2, make sure you group your products and services into revenue accounts. And number 3, use the sales function to manage your business. And remember, the sales function is basically your cash in. So very important to manage that section and review that section all the time, particularly if you want to make sure you're having cash coming into your business or nonprofit. So make sure you sign up for our upcoming class, which we're going to talk about the expense section. If you missed this first week, you can still view that. And there's a link in the comment section. So just sign up and view it at your leisure. Thank you so much. Hope to see you next week.